Good afternoon everyone, welcome to our channel. Today we are going to unbox Eagle Moss's Batman Universe Collector's Busts. It is the Dark Knight Returns cowl. This is the second replica cowl by Eagle Moss. The first one was Batman Rebirth. This is the art box. We're going to open the box. This is 1/16 scale. It measures approximately 22 centimeters tall. This is the base. This was a limited edition run, if I'm not mistaken. Correct me if I'm wrong. The statue also comes with a book. I'm going to show you the book first. This is made of the famous Frank Miller era. I remember the movie as if it was yesterday, the animated movie, The Dark Knight Returns. Now I'm going to give you a closer look of the statue, of the bust. I'm going to measure it for you. It is approximately 16 centimeters wide with including the cape about 11 centimeters deep and about 21 centimeters height. The price it goes for 45 euros. And I think it's a very good value for money, considering the price, the quality. It's made of resin, so it's not that light. You can feel that you have something worthy here. That's it for today, guys. If you enjoyed watching this video, please like, comment and subscribe. Have a good day, everyone.